Okay, we've got it jacked up under the rear axle. And we've got jack stands supporting it. What I'm going to do is inspect it for any dings. If you get a ding in it, it'll throw it out of balance. Looks pretty good. It's got the rear U-joint with mount on it. And it's got the front yoke U-joint with balancer in it. Alright, so I'm going to pull the other one out, the original. The reason why we're changing this is because the original's developed a balance problem. It's vibrating a little bit. And I've got some U-joints, but I decided might as well change the whole assembly because it's not that expensive. It's only about $220 for that whole unit. Okay, let's get started. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's about a 13 millimeter. It's been a few years since I pulled the other one out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the trick, lock the wrenches together to pry on it. It's a 12 millimeter. Oh God. Okay, basically I'm taking out those 4 bolts. So here's the 2 on the bottom. And I've had this drive shaft out before and I marked it with paint just like the factory does. But you see there's the top bolt there and the other top bolt right there. So what I'm going to do, I've got these 2 bottom ones loose. I'm going to go ahead and pull those out. Then I'm going to rotate the drive shaft by throwing it in neutral. And I'll put it back in park. And I'll set the parking brake again. And I'll pull the other bolts out. Okay, here's one of the bolts right here. Here's another bolt here. Okay, rotate it. Come on. So, whoa, come back a little bit. Come on back, come on back. Come on back. Right there, stop. Okay, I'm gonna go put it in park. Okay, I've got it back in park. And I've set the parking brake again. Okay, in case you're wondering, this is how I get the bolts loose. And I lock a wrench on here. And I push on the end of that right there. It's just to give extra leverage. You can also use a hammer against your wrench. I do that sometimes too, but we got one last bolt. Okay, that's all 4 bolts are out. Now what we have to do right here, we have to be careful when that yoke comes out, because it's going to get fluid everywhere. We just got to slide it forward. I think it's maybe stuck. There it goes. I'm going to come back with it. Okay. Oh, great. And we're out. Okay. And this is the wrong one. I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. Thank you. And remember, don't be destructive. Fix, repair, create. Make the world better.